how to reverse search an image on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to reverse search an image on Pinterest. Let's get started. Open your Pinterest application on your mobile device. Once you're on the home page, you will see various images on the news feed. Select the image you want to reverse search. Then tap on it, and inside the image viewer, you will find a magnifying glass resembling a search. Click on it. Now you can crop or adjust the image you want to search. Below you will see the search loading, and soon you will find pictures related to the image you have selected. This feature allows you to find similar pictures based on the image you have chosen. You can try on various pictures to find more similar pictures. And there you have it. That's how you can reverse search an image on Pinterest using the reverse image search feature. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.